something is established in this contradiction, which is what we call an equilibrium. Equilibrium is a balance between opposing forces.
Sure are. You can protect it.
True.
So
That's true.
but there's always
This is where we find equilibrium in paradoxes. Because paradoxes now, when you have, it's based on contradictory, but then the same contradiction now, something is established in this contradiction.
what do you like to do when you work out?
I like to push-ups, pull-ups. Hold on, oh, my battery's dying. Push up, hold up, my battery's dying. Hold on.
You just say it's 12 division is the fourth dimension. I will tell you if I can tell you.
We're talking to Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First. This is the Buttered Sausage Hour. Patreon.com/The Jeff Richards Show, and subscribe to YouTube channel The Jeff Richards Show. You can also join his
because the guy is removing his art. But the paradox is, these two individuals, polar opposite end of the stick, they test each other with a passion, but yet their very existence, their very craft, their very livelihood is really contingent on each other. Because the guy don't clean the wall, the graffiti artists have nowhere to draw. And if the
Mr. Watts,
and
I
if
get
the artists
confused
don't
with
draw,
Alan Watts.
I have nowhere to draw.
My name is Alan
So
Volz.
this is what we call
A watt and a volt
but
is
you
very
know
different.
that getting into it as a
Much
graffiti
like
artist,
a-
you know that
Much like a frog
you are
has
going
four
to be
legs.
painted
But
over
they're not
at
really
some
legs
point.
because they're
I mean,
flipping
it's not like, but it's
What
not
do
like
you-
you're in
what
your
do you-
apartment painting something and you finish
What
and
do you
somebody comes into
attribute
your
your-
window and paints
Go ahead,
over
what
it.
do you
And
have
that's
to
sort of
say?
the beauty of being an independent artist, because people can't
But
light
do
your
you
art on
need to
fire.
see
You know, it's your
That's
art.
in
You
order to
protect it.
hear?
So.
That is
That's
to
true.
say,
But
can
there's
I see
always-
a baseball?
And this is
But
where we
feeling
find
a
the
baseball
equilibrium
might
in
be
paradoxes.
something
Because
different.
paradoxes now,
If
when
you
you have, it's based on contradictory. But then the same contradiction now, something is established in this contradiction, which is what we call an equilibrium. Okay, and I have a very particular song I play where I use this ring as a slide guitar.